In this video, you will see how to make picture transparent in Word document like this. First, I will duplicate the image so you can see the difference. To make the picture transparent, you need to double click on the picture, and after double clicking under the picture format, you will see here the option of transparency. Click on the drop down and here you will see different options. And when you hover your mouse pointer on this preview, you will see that the transparency percentage is different. So this is 95% transparent. Likewise, you can try different transparency. However, if you want absolute control over the transparency, you will need to click on the picture transparency option. Under the picture transparency, you will see here the transparency slider and the percentage in this box. You can simply drag the slider to the right and left to adjust the transparency of the image like this. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.